Welcome back to BikeVerse. April 18th, 2024, Toyota City, Japan. Toyota Motor Corporation just announced something special. This is the all-new Toyota Land Cruiser 250 series, and it represents a return to Land Cruiser's core mission, supporting people's lives with strong off-road performance and ease of handling. Under the keyword Back to the Basics, Toyota redefined the development concept as a vehicle that supports customers' daily lives and one they can trust. The Land Cruiser Prado shifted toward high-end luxury over time. The 250 series returns to the light-duty model customers expect. All models are now unified under Land Cruiser naming, clarifying the lineup's position. Built on the same robust GAF platform as the 300 series with exceptional off-road performance. Two powertrains: 2.8-litre turbo diesel with direct shift 8 AT or 2.7-litre gasoline with 6 Super ECT. This is Land Cruiser returning to its roots. Revolutionary off-road technology. The Land Cruiser 250 series introduces revolutionary technology first in the Land Cruiser lineup. Electric power steering (EPS) reduces kickback during off-road driving. Kickback is when terrain or obstacles forcibly turn the tires, causing the steering wheel to turn sharply by itself. EPS eliminates this dangerous phenomenon, ensuring ease of handling whether on or off-road. But here's the game changer: stabilizer with disconnection mechanism (SDM). At the push of a button, the front stabilizer can be locked or unlocked. On road, locked stabilizer provides handling stability and cornering control. Off-road, unlock it for maximum wheel articulation and suspension travel over extreme terrain. This delivers driving performance and ride comfort off-road while maintaining handling stability on road. Combined with the robust GAF platform from the 300 series, electric rear differential lock, and expanded torque distribution freedom, the 250 series offers exceptional off-road capability with surprising advanced powertrain and ease of handling. The Land Cruiser 250 series offers two powerful and efficient powertrains. First, the 2.8-litre 1GD-FTV direct injection turbo diesel inline-4 paired with direct shift 8 AT transmission, proven diesel power delivering serious torque for off-road work and towing capability with excellent fuel efficiency. Second, the 2.7-litre 2TR-FE gasoline inline-4 with 6 Super ECT transmission, reliable naturally aspirated power with proven durability. Both deliver powerful driving performance while meeting modern environmental standards. That power transfers to all four wheels through full-time 4WD with torsion limited slip differential on the center differential, providing optimal torque distribution between front and rear axles automatically. Electric rear differential lock delivers powerful off-road performance on rough terrain with the push of a button. The degree of freedom in front and rear driving torque distribution has been expanded, achieving even greater driving stability on and off-road. This is Toyota's proven off-road powertrain technology first editions. Toyota is offering two special Land Cruiser First Edition models commemorating the 250 series launch, limited to just 8,000 total units. The ZX First Edition, based on the ZX grade with 2.8-litre diesel, includes special equipment emphasizing return to roots. Round bi-beam LED headlights with auto leveling, LED clearance lights with follow me home function, LED daytime running lights, and those gorgeous matte black 18-inch aluminum wheels with 265/70R18 off-road tires. The VX First Edition, available with either 2.8-litre diesel or 2.7-litre gasoline, features exclusive sand exterior color and dark chestnut interior. Enhanced safety with emergency steering assist with active steering function, front cross-traffic alert, lane change assist, advanced drive support during traffic congestion, and driver monitor camera. Inside, genuine leather covers with exclusive decorations, synthetic leather door trim with First Edition logo, and instrument panel featuring exclusive titanium film and chrome. These special editions emphasize the exclusive feeling of owning a launch commemorative model. The complete Land Cruiser package. The 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser 250 series represents Land Cruiser's return to core values, supporting customers' daily lives with a vehicle they can trust. Announced April 18th, 2024, with 2,250 units per month base sales volume in Japan. Available in three grades: GX starting at 5.2 million yen, VX at 6.3 million yen diesel or 5.45 million yen gasoline, and ZX at 7.35 million yen. First Edition special models: ZX at 7.85 million yen and VX at 7 million yen diesel or 5.9 million yen gasoline. The introduction of the 250 series clarifies the Land Cruiser lineup position. the 70 series for hardcore off-road work, the 250 series supporting daily life with strong capability, and the 300 series as the flagship, all unified under Land Cruiser naming. Built at Toyota's Tahara plant and Hino Motors' Hamura plant. Available through Kinto subscription starting at 50,710 yen per month. The 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser 250 series. Back to the basics. Trusted capability. Supporting lives worldwide. This is BikeVerse, and this is Land Cruiser's return to its roots.